Good afternoon everyone presented here. I am going to give you a speech about youth against corruption. Corruption is the main cause of nuisance around the world. By definition, corruption, missing of the power for personal and private gain. Corruption stands for impairment of integrity, ritual or moral principle. By every definition, corruption means the violation of country laws and social and ethnic norms. It is also weakens the roots of a nation, the greatest strength and wealth of any nation in its youth. The future of a nation lies in the hands of its posterity. Benjamin Disraeli said, the youth of a nation are the trustees of posterity. It is only due to courage, determination and spirit of youth that a nation prospers and progress. Youth can play an important role in eradicating corruption as they constitute more than half of the human population, so their power is immense only if they so realize it. The youth of any nation are its potential energy. They are the ones who are pride of a nation. Unless taught in the right way, that very energy can tip over the other side and become destructive and dangerous for the society. Youth is highly affected due to the corruption. They are discouraged due to inequality or immorality in the society, non-availability of opportunities, breakdown of family values, unemployment, poor or inadequate education. So first they become victim or corrupt, eventually become the corrupt. In order to remove all these malpractices and ill deeds from a society, youth should raise voice against corruption. Youth should actively participate in advocating anti-corruption policies, influencing to others to come forward and monitoring the government actions. Youth can use public places to communicate an anti-corruption message and organize competition for cartoons, poems, essays, dramas that communicate an anti-corruption message and also making demonstrated to school clubs, anti-corruption organization, human organization and women organization. The biggest obstacle in nation development is political instability. So call leaders and the opportunities to join hands with the civil military bureaucracy and to retain power and lose the country resources with both hands. Youth can combat corruption by taking competition exam and serve the nation as the honest civil servant. Selection of an honest committed leader is one of the difficult tasks. Youth can use website or publish documents where good and bad rights and background of the political leaders mentioned against checklist of ideal qualities. It is time to focus constructively on using the power of the youth for the betterment of the nation and framing such policies which aim at empowering our youth so that we can be assured better and brighter future. Thank you.